Hello guys, Kid Newton here. That's my Knex slide action pistol. Right here. This gun is really cool. So here's a handle, here's a trigger, up top here is a slide, and here's a bullet pusher. Right there. So this gun shoots these dark grey connectors with a broken rod in the slot right there. So you grab the bullet pusher and then you just put it in like that. The trigger just holds it like that for you, you know. Now you're going to put the bullets in there like that. About 3 of them. Okay, it's like that. So you pull this thing like that, then ready to shoot. It's a really cool gun. So it works. Get all the bullets. Just put it on the floor here. So yeah, that's my Knex slide action pistol. It works pretty well. So yeah. It will be more guns quite soon. Something big, something new, something I never built before. So you guys subscribe me to my channel whatever you want. So it will be my Knex bomb machine, my first Knex bomb machine, probably when it's spring. I don't know, wait and see. I try to let you go guys, I really have to go on my bed. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. My Knex slide action pistol. So it will be more guns quite soon. So I hope you guys like it. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, content, link to subscription, comes some more. So bye.